Get Migration Assistant up and running again in minutes. Check the internet connection. Make sure both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Having them close to each other can also boost the strength of the connection. Sometimes, all your network needs is a fresh start. Turning off your router, waiting a moment, and then turning it back on can restart your connection. Ensure the Migration Assistant is up and running on both computers. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart Mac. Error, authentication failed, unable to retrieve credentials from authorizing user, often appears on the receiving Mac, and the transfer process is stopped. If you run into this error, restart your Mac. Optimize your transfer. When in the Select Information to Transfer window, look for the Applications folder option and uncheck it. Click Continue to transfer without the apps. Once the transfer is complete, you can easily install your essential apps on the new Mac. Troubleshoot connection issues. Open the Apple menu. Choose System Settings. Click on the General section on the left panel and select Sharing. Scroll down to find and click on the Edit button near the bottom right. Enter a new hostname. Ensure it's distinct from the one on your new Mac to avoid any conflicts. Click OK to save your changes. Set user account password. If your new Mac doesn't have a user account login password, you might run into the error message, "This Mac can't be used to migrate data." Open the System Settings from the Apple menu. Click the Users and Groups section on the sidebar. Next to your username, there's an info icon. Click on it to open the settings specific to your user account. Within your account settings, locate the Change button next to the Password field. You will now be prompted to fill in the details required to set up your password. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, click Change Password to confirm your new password. After you've successfully updated your login password, give your Mac a quick restart. Then, try initiating the data transfer again. Turn off the firewall, antivirus, and VPN. Navigate to System Settings from the Apple logo. Click Network. Click on Firewall and toggle it off. Then, go back and click on VPN. Turn off the VPN as well. Temporarily disable your antivirus. Since the steps can vary greatly depending on the antivirus software you're using, the best approach is to open the software and look for an option to turn it off temporarily. Resolve user account conflicts. Rename a user account. Click the Apple logo and open System Settings. Go to Users and Groups and click the info icon next to your account. Next to username, enter a new name for your account to easily identify and keep the files separate for each account. Click OK to save the changes. Remove the conflicting user account. When the Conflicts Detected message appears, click on the pop-up to begin resolving the issue. The system will guide you through the next steps, depending on whether you're renaming or removing a user account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Run Apple Diagnostics. Press and hold the power button. Wait for the Startup Options window to appear before releasing the button. Next, press and hold the Command and D keys together on your keyboard. A prompt will appear asking for your agreement to proceed. Click I agree to let Apple Diagnostics do its thing. Once completed, you'll receive a report containing one or more diagnostic codes. Note these diagnostic codes and click Get Started. Finally, click the Restart button to reboot your Mac. Now contact Apple support and share these codes with the technician. The codes will give valuable insights into your Mac's condition. You can also Google them and try to find the solution on your own. Reset System Management Controller. Shut down your MacBook. Press and hold the Shift, Control, and Option keys on your keyboard, then press and hold the power button simultaneously. Release all keys. Press the power button to turn on your device. Reinstall macOS. Shut down your Mac completely. Press the power button, and as your Mac starts, press the Command and R keys until the Apple logo appears. For Apple Silicon, press the power button until you see Startup Options. Select Options and click Continue. Once in recovery mode, select Reinstall macOS and click Continue 2 times. Then follow the on-screen instructions. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner, you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.